I'm going to show you how to make this fantastic lemon tiramisu. You will love it. I'm going to use some eggs. Here I have 2 eggs. I put the white on one, the yolk of egg. I put them inside the other one. I'm going to use 2 heaps of caster sugar. Start it to mix it. Look, can you see all the sugars and the eggs get together? You can see this when the egg start to get pale. Then I only need to use 150 grams of mascarpone straight in. Then you mix it. Have to be a creamy. In a way, it's almost like a double cream. Come on. To see how stiff it is, you ready? Watch me. Hallelujah! It stays. Right. Inside, I need to put 2 tablespoons of limoncello. I use my hands with that. 1, 2, 1 for me. I like this limoncello. It's locally made. I need to use a zest of a lemon. The lemons you're using, they have to be unwaxed lemon. Mix a little bit the limoncello. And I can smell the limoncello, I can smell the lemons. Then I have white of egg. You add a bit to the white of egg. If you don't have a strong arm like mine, don't forget to use the mixer. I use my hands. Okay? Sticking up, but it's not solid. You fold them in. Slowly, look at that. You see the way I'm folding? They become lovely and silky. Look at that. Let me show you what I done earlier. I used 3 strips of lemon zest. I put in it 100 ml of water with 2 tablespoons of sugar. You put everything inside a pan, you let it boil, and then become almost like a syrup. You need a sponge finger. So you mix a little bit. That is done. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon right underneath of the mascarpone with the egg. Not too much, just a little bit. Then you lay 1. Just lay anywhere you like it. While you do this, you have more biscuit inside. You have some of the mascarpone. Then you got to a zest of a lemon again. It's almost like making a lasagna. Mascarpone. Get a biscuit inside. Look at that. You're building up. Sorry, I have to. I don't know what kind of... it is just unbelievable, that's all. Yes! Come on. The last bit is this. Dark chocolate. Off you go. Oh. Abundance. Don't be afraid. Come on. You need more. Lemons, not the yellow ones, the green ones. This one is lemons, which is not ready yet. I mean, the zest of this lemon is extremely good. Let me dress it. Wow! I wish you could smell tiramisu al limone with limoncello. It's too good.